chromium or double shaft mixer is equipped with a pair of stirring shafts with large steel degree, on which a plurality of fan-shaped stirring blades are distributed at a certain spiral angle and pitch, and a plurality of nozzles are arranged on the top cover of the box body, spraying water evenly and adjustable. Two steel stirring shafts rotate in reverse to stir and screw the chromium ore with uniform humidification. The advantages of biaxial structure are high mixing efficiency and tight sealing of mixer, no dust flying, reducer using cycloidal reducer, compact structure, small footprint, smooth transmission, low noise. The blade is made of wear-resistant cast iron, good wear resistance. The mixer is mixed evenly. Reliable operation, convenient operation and maintenance. Chrome ore mixer has hard cutting head welded on the mixing blade, good wear resistance and long service life.